Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your internet and account are stable so transfers don't fail mid-process. Open your club transfer list and locate the quick sold player. Note exact name and position. Once done, check current market prices for that player. This is why you record club and position. Make sure to set a conservative starting bid or buy now price to relist quickly. This reduces relist time and increases sale likelihood when demand is consistent. Now you execute targeted relisting. Use precise search filters, name, position, league, and club so you see comparables. You then choose between a low buy now for instant moves or short 1-hour auctions for more competition. Pick based on current listings. Once listed, monitor price trends for 10-20 minutes and adjust BIN downward if no activity. If immediate BIN doesn't work, convert less valuable players into packs or trade in fodder to rebuild coins for another relist attempt. Finish by watching your transfer inbox closely and relist promptly when a player expires. Aim to relist up to 3 times before cutting price to avoid coin loss. If listings fail to appear, clear transfer issues by restarting the app, logging out and back in, or using the web/companion app. This often resolves cache or sync problems. If sales still stall, pause for 24 hours to let market demand reset, then reprice based on fresh comparables and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.